This breakfast lowers cholesterol. This one doesn't. Take a look at this: healthy, hot, smooth, strong, and working for you. Oats. Rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan. Oats trap some cholesterol in your gut so it leaves your body instead of building up. A simple bowl most mornings supports healthy cholesterol levels. Make it practical. Half a cup of dry oats, cooked in water or milk. Add cinnamon or berries. Keep it basic, keep it steady. Next, walnuts. A small handful delivers plant omega-3 South ALA plus minerals and antioxidants. These fats help keep blood lipids in better balance. And the crunch makes meals more satisfying, so you're less likely to reach for ultra-processed snacks. Target 20 to 30 grams, about a small handful. Toss them into oats or a salad. It's an easy daily habit. An extra virgin olive oil. Mostly monounsaturated fat, naturally packed with polyphenols. Swap it for butter or heavy sauces to lower saturated fat, while adding compounds that support your arteries. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons with meals, drizzle on salads, roasted veg, even your oats with a pinch of salt and fruit. Together, this trio is a hard, smart routine. Oats for soluble fiber, walnuts for omega-3 ALA, olive oil for monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. Now, contrast that with a different picture. See how this heart looks a little dull, a little tired? Processed meats, bacon, and sausages are convenient, but they come loaded with sodium and preservatives that can add strain over time. Bacon first. Just a few strips can pack several hundred milligrams of sodium plus saturated fat, not friendly to your arteries when it's a daily habit. Sausages often add nitrites, nitrates, and fillers. They're energy-dense, low in fiber, and easy to overeat, so you get lots of salt and fat without much nutritional payback. Reality check. Once your day pushes past around 2,000 milligrams sodium, blood pressure can creep up, especially when the salt hides in foods like these. Set smart limits. Keep processed meats as an occasional add-on, not your default protein. If you have them, shrink the portion and surround it with vegetables and high-fiber carbs. Better swaps: roasted chicken or turkey, beans or lentils, eggs or fish. Craving smoky flavor? Use paprika, garlic, black pepper, and a splash of olive oil. Go lower sodium where possible. Label tip: per 100 grams, over 600 milligrams sodium is high. Choose smaller portions or put it back. This is education, not personal medical advice. Follow for more good versus limit visuals. 1 plate, 1 pulse, better heart health. Tell me which food or organ you're curious about. See you in the next series.